was your vacation?
It was great. I stayed home, relaxed, and played some golf. How about you?
I had a fantastic trip. I went skiing up in mountains and that's really fun. I think you must try that experience.
I just might. Anyway, nice catching up.
Yeah, definitely. Let's grab coffee soon and chat more.
Sure. See you later.
See you.